Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a coffee grinder. First, let's understand the fundamental purpose of a coffee grinder: to transform whole roasted beans into a consistent particle size. This process is vital because freshly ground coffee releases significantly more aromatic compounds, leading to a richer, more flavorful brew. Achieving uniform particle size is paramount, as it ensures even extraction during brewing, preventing both over-extraction and under-extraction. Different brewing methods, from espresso to French press, demand specific grind consistencies for their optimal performance. When considering how to make a coffee grinder, the burr mechanism is key. Burr grinders, unlike blade grinders, utilize two abrasive surfaces to crush and shear coffee beans, ensuring a much more uniform grind. Conical burrs, for instance, are highly regarded for their ability to produce consistent particle sizes while generating minimal heat, preserving the coffee's delicate flavors. Flat burrs also offer excellent consistency, though they might produce slightly more heat. The ability to precisely adjust the distance between these burrs is what allows you to control the final grind size, from very fine to coarse. Selecting the right materials is crucial for a durable and effective coffee grinder. For the burrs themselves, hardened steel or ceramic are the top choices due to their exceptional durability and ability to maintain sharpness over time. The main body of your grinder can be crafted from various materials like wood, metal, or high-grade plastic, prioritizing stability and longevity. A powerful motor, ideally between 100 and 200 watts, is necessary to efficiently grind beans without stalling. Also, aim for a hopper that can hold at least 50 to 100 grams of beans. Once you have your components, careful assembly is next. Securely mount the motor, the burr set, and the grind adjustment mechanism within the grinder's housing. Precise alignment of the burrs is absolutely critical. Even a slight misalignment can lead to inconsistent particle sizes. After assembly, test your grinder with different types of coffee beans, observing the uniformity of the grind. Finally, calibrate your grind settings. This involves fine-tuning the burr spacing to achieve the perfect consistency for various brewing methods, ensuring your coffee always tastes its best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.